In this video we are going to show you how to remove the amplifier from Lexus GS350 2013, which is similar to some other years. The amplifier located in the trunk on the passenger side, right under the tool compartment. The tools that you need is this yellow dashboard removal tool and then size 10mm socket. So you need to remove the cover for the tool compartment and just pop up the compartment. And as you can see, this is the amplifier. It's made by Pioneer. And to remove it, you just need to unscrew this 10mm nuts. And then to remove the connector, you need to just use a sharp tool or the screwdriver and push the clip inward and just remove it. And then the big plug is different. You just have to push the clip and then rotate this clamp, and then the plug comes up. Usually sometimes the problem with these amplifiers because they get corrosion because the water gets into this compartment and then they go bad. And if you need any repair for this amp, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.